Hello friends, in this video we will be reviewing the ALLWEI 2400W Portable Power Station, a beast but for all grid living, camping, RV life and emergency backup. But it is worth the price, let's break it down. This unit pump out 2400W with 2133 WH capacity, powering up to 13 devices at once, from phones and laptops to mini fridges and grills. It is got AC, USB-A, USB-C and DC ports and even a 100W USB-C for fast charging. Charging it is a breeze. Solar up to 600W in 4-5 hours or AC wall charging in just 2 hours. Plus it uses a LiFePO4 battery, which means 3500 plus charge cycles and 10 plus year of use. It is portable, whisper quiet, packed with safety features and has a UPS mode for instant power backup. And it is expandable with an extra battery if needed. Final verdict. The ALLWEI 2400W is a powerhouse, durable, efficient and ready for anything. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel and check the description for trusted Amazon link. Thanks for watching.